No court in Uganda which are I know why you are not pressing in court. Just upstate. Match in the discipline
in this particular fight.
And it is clear that the prosecutor should withdraw the case. The prosecutor to produce the witnesses. Who might not be good. The group and
the Police Act.
Officer at one time, yeah, at any time.
When I get to bed,
we can adjourn.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. SP Kirumira, there were 3 cases. And it is clear that the prosecutor